Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Naturally. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today, we have a delicious topic for you. We're going to talk about English conversations at a restaurant.
That's right. We'll take you through different situations, from making a reservation to ordering food, and even dealing with problems politely.
So, whether you're eating at a fancy restaurant or just grabbing lunch at a cafe, you'll learn how to sound confident and natural in English.
All right, let's imagine we're at a nice restaurant. I'll be the customer, and Jack will be the waiter first. Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for dinner tonight, please.
Of course. For how many people?
For 4 people, please.
Sure. What time would you like the reservation for?
At 7:30, if possible.
Let me check. Yes, we have a table available at 7:30. May I have your name, please?
It's Emma Brown.
Perfect. So, a table for 4 under the name Emma Brown at 7:30. We look forward to seeing you tonight.
Thank you so much.
That's a common way to make a reservation. It's polite, simple, and clear.
Exactly. Remember to give your name, number of people, and time clearly.
Now, let's move on to what happens when you arrive at the restaurant.
Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Emma Brown.
Welcome, Miss Brown. Yes, I see your reservation. This way, please.
Thank you.
Here's your table. Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please. And could we have some water to start?
Of course. I'll bring that right away.
See how polite that is? Just by adding please and could, you sound very natural and respectful.
Right. In English-speaking cultures, politeness goes a long way in restaurants. Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?
I think we're ready. What do you recommend today?
The grilled salmon is one of our most popular dishes. It comes with roasted vegetables and a lemon butter sauce.
That sounds delicious. I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
Excellent choice. And how would you like your salmon cooked, medium or well done?
Medium, please.
And what would you like to drink?
Just water for me, thank you.
All right. And for the others?
They'll have 1 chicken pasta, 1 steak medium rare, and 1 vegetarian pizza, please.
Got it. I'll place your order and bring your drinks shortly.
That's a typical way to order. You can always ask for recommendations or check what's popular.
Also, if you don't understand something on the menu, it's totally fine to ask.
Yes, you can say things like, "Could you tell me what's in this dish? Is this spicy? Does this contain nuts?"
How's everything so far?
Everything's wonderful, thank you. The salmon is delicious.
I'm glad to hear that. Please let me know if you need anything else.
Actually, could we get some extra napkins, please?
Of course. I'll bring them right away.
It's nice to show appreciation during your meal. Simple comments like, "Everything tastes great," make the waiter feel appreciated.
Exactly. And if there's a problem, be polite about it. For example, "Excuse me, my soup is a little cold," or "Sorry, I think this isn't what I ordered."
Right. You don't have to sound angry, just polite and clear.
Would you like any dessert?
No, thank you. Could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Great. Could we split the bill, please?
Certainly. How would you like to divide it?
Half on this card and half on that one.
No problem. Here are your receipts. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you very much. The food was excellent.
We're glad you enjoyed it. Please come again.
And that's how you can sound natural and polite at a restaurant.
Yes, key phrases like, "Could we have the bill, please?" or "Can I pay by card?" are super useful.
Let's review some helpful expressions before we wrap up. Useful restaurant phrases. Making a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation for 2, please. For what time? Under what name? Ordering food. Could I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'll have the, please. Could I get this without onions? During the meal. Everything is great, thank you. Excuse me, could we have some more water? Sorry, I think this isn't what I ordered. Paying the bill. Could we have the check, please? Can I pay by card or cash? Could we split the bill? And there you go. Your complete guide to English at the restaurant.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Next time you go out to eat, try using some of these phrases.
Thanks for listening to Speak English Naturally. Until next time, keep practicing and bon appetit.